so not a camera person, that's why.
Yeah. But it's cute though. Okay.
Yeah, I like it.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say it.
What up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So Unice sent me this wig and I'm just showing you everything that came in a box. A robe, some eyelashes, bonnets, elastic bands, the wig. This is a 24-inch closure wig, and this is what the inside of the construction looks like. It's just your simple, normal stock wig. It comes lightly pre-plucked. The knots are not bleached or anything like that. You do have combs, adjustable straps. Yeah, and if you want extra security, you could add an elastic band to it. Okay, you guys, let's talk about bleaching the hair. So, of course, I'm about to use some 30 Val today with a little bit of quick blue, and you need something to mix that thing up with. So I have a bowl and a tinting brush. So we're gonna do 1 scoop to 1 scoop of 30 volume, mix it all together, and then you will get the consistency that you will need to have the perfect bleach job. So I am going to apply my mix to the lace. After it's applied, I'm going to go ahead and apply foil to help heat the product up and help bleach the knots a little bit better. I do leave the bleach on for about 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, I do go ahead and rinse it off with water. Make sure it's thoroughly rinsed off. You do want to use some type of purple shampoo, toner shampoo, or you can use like a toner, actual toner product if you like to tone your knots, but you definitely have to do that because if you don't, your knots will be brassy, and that's what you don't want, okay? And I did go in with some Ajax just to help wash the hair. The hair was dirty, like really dirty, so you want to wash your hair, okay? And then I did go in with silicone mix. That's just a regular deep conditioner. Use it like regular conditioner. Conditioner, let it stay on there for about 30 minutes and then rinse it off, and your hair should be super soft, okay? And then after I did all of that goodness, you know, I definitely went in and plucked the wig and did baby hairs, but I did do that off camera because I just felt like I do that a lot. So this is what the wig turned out looking like. She pressed out really good, okay? She is silky, and like the wig is full. So yes, this is what she's looking like. Mannequin is looking real good. Homegirl is looking real good in this wig, okay? She has a nice luster. All right, so I am going to install this wig on my friend Jasmine. You guys seen her before. Jasmine loves her closures, okay? So like anytime I have closures, she be like, you got a closure? And I'll be like, yeah. She like, I want it. So I applied her stocking cap. I used the product in the middle of her head where her closure was going to sit. I didn't necessarily like mold the stocking cap down by her sideburns, only because I knew that like I was going to lay her sideburns down with product. So just in case if the wind blew, that it'll look a little bit more, you know, natural looking. So after I cut that off, I'll tie the rest of the stocking cap to the back. Girl, what am I talking about? Yeah, I'll tie the rest of the stocking cap to the back so it will not come off. And then I'm gonna hit the stocking cap with a matching makeup that I have for her, and she's the same color as me, so she uses Ruby Kisses in the shade 16. And basically, as of right now, I'm just gonna fit her head with the wig and just make sure that everything is sitting good and just looking right on her, okay? So Jasmine has a little head, so this wig was a little bit big, so if you are 23, you could definitely fit this wig. I would say you could definitely fit this. I am going to use Bow Hold Active to adhere this wig. I do use 3 coats, and I also use liquid gold. You guys already know why I like to use liquid gold. It just helps stops the prevention of your wig sliding back. Like your wig is gonna slide back whether you have glue on or not, but when you have the liquid gold, it just makes your wig stay in place. So I like to put that all over the front of the cap. A little bit goes a long way. You do not need to use a lot. And I'm gonna just wait for this glue to turn clear, and then I will apply the wig down. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excessive lace. You see me cutting off the seams first. I like doing that because it just makes the closure look like a frontal, and it makes the front closure lay down flatter. Okay, so I love doing that. I am going to push out back the baby hairs so I can cut off the lace, and look at it. It looks super good. Like, this lace was very soft, but I don't think it was HD. But the grade of lace was super good. Like it like her hair blended into her skin, and so I was cool with that. So I'm gonna use the lace jelly to lay down her baby hairs. I didn't have to curl it, and basically that's the end of this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was a super quick tutorial because it was a closure. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll have everything listed in that I used in the video down below in the description box for you guys. And until next time, bye, best friends.